Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the website development series. And you might have already noticed that this entire section is like different. Well, today I'm doing something that I wanted to do for a while, make a link tree. Now, you can just like make one from like a website or something, but today we're gonna be making one from scratch. So I'll be doing this on my own website, although it will be put in the repository for this tutorial. So let's get started. So first, let's create a new folder, and I'll title it link tree. Kind of obvious. And a new file called index.html. And now I can open up my preview window, and you want to make it roughly the aspect ratio of a phone, because they're very common on things like social media platforms like TikTok, where your bio is limited to only a few characters, so you can't like throw a bunch of links in there. So always HTML5 and Alt-Z, SID's link tree. And in the body, we can make div container. And, okay, no thanks, Copilot. So we're gonna make an H1. I'm just gonna put my username here. And I think I need to link my CSS. I've already made some CSS. You can go ahead and make your own if you know how to do it. Otherwise, you can use mine. Just credit me somewhere in your website. And I'm going to import the CSS up here. Link : CSS, hit tab, then ... style it CSS. I'm not sure if my font's working just yet. So I'm actually going to make another div called header. And for some reason it's being weird. I just need to check my CSS. Yep, there is a bit of styling for the header. And I think I'm going to rename it to top, and then I'm actually going to create a new CSS file, main.css, and then import that. And now I can do .top float : center. I believe we can do that. No, we can't. Align items center. That does nothing. Oh, right, no. Justify content center. I can never center a div. So just found out how to do it. It's margin auto with 50% and padding 10 pixels. So now we have a centered block of text. So I can just like put like a bio or something. Here are all of my links. And then div.links. You can also name it div.content, something like that. But I think instead of using like a list or just using buttons or something, we're gonna use a drop down. I forget, was it the first? No, I think it was the second tutorial. So I'll have a card up on the top right of the screen. So if you haven't watched the second video, just go ahead and do that. So details. summary, and social media. And then a button. And let's do YouTube. Another button. Discord. Another button. TikTok. Another Twitter. And I believe that's all I have. So now if I think I should probably add these breaks. And that looks, these buttons look a bit big. I think I need to shrink down these buttons. I'm just gonna copy over my CSS for buttons. So I think the padding is what needs to be reduced. I think they're a bit too tall. Font size, maybe you can reduce it to 12 pixels, potentially. That actually does something. Very surprising, since none of my code works. I think this should be fine. Yeah, I think these buttons are fine. So, actually, I'm gonna make, I think I can remove this padding and instead do, what is it, width, can't type, 100%. And that should make it fit the entire, length of the screen. So, details, class, social media, then details dot, I don't know what to, call it, others, I guess, then summary. I do not have any of this except GitHub. What else? Main website page, I guess. I don't really know. But we'll save this for now. Now this is where we get into the fun stuff. It's JavaScript. It's not that fun, but let's create a new file called links.js. And now we can include JavaScript by typing script:/src. And this is where we'll put the file name. So links.js. And now we'll have to do a bit of stuff to all these buttons, so let's type onClick. Then go to YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? It's not very cool. So let's just paste it into every one of these and change it. So Discord, TikTok, Twitter, then GitHub, and homepage. If I can type. Okay. So, we've made our buttons, so no more HTML for this video, I think. So, now, in links.js, we can create a function and do the second one, and then go to place. And now we can use if statements, but if statements just don't look neat. So we'll use a statement called switch. So we can do switch, use the second one, and then switch place, and then case YouTube. Then let's go to window.location.href and https://youtube.com/SidGames5 if I can type. And now we can just do this for, oh, I forgot I have a Twitch. So, yeah, Twitch, twitch.tv/SidPlaysLive. Follow me. I'm going to be streaming in the summer. So, then Twitter, it's doing that. No, SidGames 101. Facebook, no. Discord. Not supposed to happen. And I just need to get my Discord invite. And there I have my Discord invite. Case TikTok. And yeah, so I believe we covered everything in the first section. Okay, so now GitHub and homepage. Case GitHub. github.com/basic corruption. Alt Z again. Then case homepage. And then not sidplays.com, although I would like to have that domain, sidgames.com, but basiccorruption.github.io. Why? Well, I might get a domain. And currently they do like nothing. And also if we resize this window, the buttons will also resize. So that's nice. So now I believe we can test it on an actual phone. So I'm on my phone right now. I don't know if the audio is working, if it's broken. I don't know. But I could just type in my website. not.com.io/linktree.com. No. And it works. So yeah. So as you can see from that clip on my phone, it works. And I did test it on desktop. It doesn't exactly work on desktop. Yeah, it's all like broken and everything. It's really meant for mobile phones. So now you can do stuff like link it to your TikTok, Discord status, and lots of stuff. So if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.